Welcome everyone. Today we will discuss about fetal circulation. Okay, some basic concepts of fetal circulation, and we will know the answer of these questions like why foramen ovale and ductus arteriosus kept open in fetus. Why? Now let's see. Now at first we look about what is the basic of normal circulation in adult human being. It will be helpful for you to understand the fetal circulation. At first I am saying adult circulation. Okay, suppose it is the heart, and these are the four compartments of heart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four compartments of heart, and as you know, these are your beautiful lungs here. And now we know the circulations, like the right atrium is supplied by superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, which have mostly deoxygenated blood. So I have said it in blue color, and these are the pulmonary veins. We know veins draw blood from all over the body and keep into the heart, and from heart arteries keep the blood to the whole body. So like this it happens. Okay, the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava keeps the blood into the right atrium, and the pulmonary vein is carried blood into the left atrium. Okay, now from the right atrium, the right ventricle, the blood will go to the pulmonary system. So this is a pulmonary artery. Suppose it's a lung. So pulmonary artery is not like artery that we know. Artery carries mostly oxygenated blood, but it carries deoxygenated blood. So I have said it into the blue color. It is from the right ventricle. Okay, now from the left ventricle, the blood like this, it is the aorta. Blood will be circulated into the whole body. Okay, circulated in the whole body. So the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava draws blood into the right atrium. From the right atrium it goes into the right ventricle, and from right ventricle these pulmonary arteries carries the blood into the lung. Okay, and in the left side the pulmonary vein carries the blood from lung to left atrium, then from left atrium to left ventricle, and then aorta will circulate blood into the whole body. This is the basic funda of circulation. And now we look what happens in case of fetus. Okay, here is the fetal heart. Now this is the placenta. Okay, placenta. From placenta there will be umbilical vein. Yes, umbilical vein is like your pulmonary vein. So it will also carry oxygenated blood. Okay, more oxygenated blood. So it carries blood. Okay, it is carrying blood. Now see, this is the inferior vena cava. Now this oxygenated blood will be mixed with deoxygenated blood of the IVC. Now it will be converted into more oxygenated than the IVC. I have set it into the violet color. Okay, now it will come into the right atrium. But what I have said that in the left heart the blood comes from the lungs, but in fetus the lung is collapsed, so the pulmonary vein will not carry oxygenated blood. Okay, not carry oxygenated blood. So what it will carry? It will carry deoxygenated blood. Now, is it very easy that the left side has deoxygenated blood, so deoxygenated blood will be carried through the aorta into the whole body? So it doesn't happen. Okay, it doesn't happen. So now this this IVC and umbilical vein mixed blood will come into the right heart, and there is a foramen known as foramen ovale. By this foramen, this blood will go to the left side also. Yes, this blood will go to the left side also. So now in the left side there will be oxygenated blood, and it will be carried through the aorta, Okay, now see what happens. These are the pulmonary arteries. These are the pulmonary arteries. Okay, these are pulmonary arteries. So in pulmonary artery there is it is also more oxygenated than normal in normal adult, as it has some supply from the umbilical vein. Now in case of fetus, there is also another connection between the pulmonary artery and aorta, like this. Okay, as I have said that there is foramen ovale is supplying some oxygenated blood to the left heart, and this pulmonary artery will supply some oxygenated blood to the aorta. Okay, so this is called as ductus arteriosus. This ductus arteriosus is also if patent in case of normal mature adult. There normal newborn, this will be patent ductus arteriosus, and in normal adult it is present as ligamentum arteriosum. Okay, now you know the reason why these are remains open. Now we will go back to the picture. But see, I have said it all. Like this is the umbilical vein, and this is the IVC. The blood is mixed here and come into the right atrium. So from the right atrium by the foramen ovale, it comes into the left side, and into the left side there in the left side. So there, in the left side there can be some oxygenated blood. Now this is the aorta and this is the pulmonary artery. By this ductus arteriosus, some blood will be some oxygenated blood will be transferred into the aorta, and from the aorta it will be carried into the whole body. Okay, now I think you have understood the phenomenon, why this is happening. Thank you.